friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making an ice cream keyring with super clay. Let's start with light pink color for the base. You can do it on a board too. Do it properly. Make it now. Give it the shape. Look, we're done with the shaping. Use brown color as ice cream stick. Done with the stick. Some ice cream sprinklers. Let's add them. Use different colors. We are using green colors. And some brown color too. Now we are done with our sprinklers. Use light pink color as ice cream filling. Now we are done with our ice cream. We are going to attach the keyring. Make it tight. Shape it and let it dry. So now we are done with our ice cream keyring. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Shade of Wool Art. Thank you.